Why is now a great time to get a furnace? Well, for one, it is a slower time of the season for us, so that ensures that you get your furnace in before the cold weather hits. Also a great time to get your furnace tuned up. Make sure that you don't need a new furnace, say a cracked heat exchanger or something of that sort. And with some of the money you've been getting back from the federal government, it's something to put it towards your house. It's real property and adds value to your property if you look to sell. Right now, we're running about 2 weeks out on getting a new furnace in, which in the scheme of things isn't a very long time out. And again, because it's not that cold out, good time to get it done, because the backups are only going to get more once it gets cooler out.
This is the supply that's coming in for this winter's furnaces. We've got 75 furnaces in stock, ready for immediate installation. Because of the quantity of furnaces we purchased this year, we received free Wi-Fi thermostats that we'll be able to install at no charge to the customers.